यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear children. I am before you with a fresh word. Today, the word is Silhouette. S-I-L-H-O-U-E-T-T-E. Silhouette. Silhouette. S-I-L-H-O-U-E-T-T-E. Silhouette. It's a word which is called outline. Outline of a character. जैसे देखते होंगे पहले कोई सिनेमा जब शुरू होती थी, धर्मा प्रोडक्शन, there is a outline of a picture that is usually painted with black color, and that is going to signify something which you may not know what is that going to signify, and that could be the mystery of the film. So we keep on guessing what that silhouette signify. I would explain, because this is not a very ordinary word. You have to understand the meaning of the word. What is silhouette? I have very carefully chosen this word so that if you don't delve deep into it, you would be totally, always be kept in the mode of mesmerization. What does this word really stand for? So traditionally in both theatre and movies, shadow, सिनेमा देखते हो तो पीछे देखते हो एक शैडो, पिक्चर नहीं दिखाई पड़ता, पिक्चर तो हीरोइन दिखाई पड़ते हैं, एक शैडो दिखाई पड़ता है, नॉर्मली पेंटेड आउटलाइंस है उसकी, एंड दैट इज पेंटेड विद ब्लैक. Silhouette represents mystery, something unknown, and when a character is shown as a silhouette, it generally means that there is a big unknown. There is something other, there is something very important or maybe mysterious. That character for a lot more than what it really meets the eye. That silhouette really represents something more and much more than what it is looking or appearing from the naked eye. Silhouette. अब देखो इसके लाइक वर्ड्स क्या हैं आसपास के. कंटूर. यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन स्वच्छ भारत, एक भारत स्वच्छ भारत, तो देयर इज ए कंटूर ऑफ महात्मा गांधी स्पेक्टिकल, टू स्पेक्स, and there is an outline which is written, which is a sketch out, and normally it is painted with a color black. So that is also called silhouette. S-I-L-H-O-U-E-T-T-E. Silhouette of Indian economy. You are going to paint in the background. You have to predict and prognosticate what would be the scenario of Indian economy. When you must have seen some of the painters, when they paint, they just outline some structure. The entire contour, where the nose is there, where the eye is there, it is all painted. It is all sketched out. And later on the color is filled in. Normally you also say something has been delineated. Now when we prepare for our budget, there are so many things which are delineated. Delineated मतलब identified. There will be so much for the budget, railway budget, so much for the health allocation, so much for rural electrification, so much for road construction. So these are the areas which are totally delineated in different heads. As these are delineated in different shades, so these are all called silhouettes of Indian economy. Likeness, ये जो चीज हो सकती है, shadow, that shadow represents shadow silhouette of his mother. Now, some of the science artists you must have seen, they are working just trying to etch out some of the structure on the sand. And you can make out, okay, this is the photograph, or this is the, could be possible face of Mahatma Gandhi, or Jawaharlal Nehru, or Subhash Chandra Bose, or Bismarck. So, something which has been outlined, that is also called silhouette. Figuration, you just figure it out. As I said, silhouette of your success depends on the kind of delineation of your efforts now. If you have delineated your efforts properly at the moment, you are going to be casted as a successful man, which would be reflected in your silhouette. Now let us see some of the statements. From where this word silhouette arose? Because any word which we are using, they are having their origin. Recently you would be proud to know that few words like बंदोबस्त, हम लोग शादी में करते हैं ना बंदोबस्त, हमें इंतजाम करना है, we have to do a lot of arrangements. So these बंदोबस्त करनी है मेरे को, बहुत सारी चीज़ों का रूपांतरण और कायाकल्प संवारने के लिए प्लानिंग करनी है, और बहुत सारी चीज़ों की बंदोबस्त करनी है. This very word is totally in Hindi, but this word has been adopted by Oxford Advanced Learning Dictionary as English word. So you can always use this word in English. It is no more a Hindi word. Of course it is a Hindi word. The origin of the word is Hindi. Normally the words are chosen depending upon how many people from which linguistic background they are using it. More the linguistic configuration of the people, more the appearance of linguistic enumerations are there, greater is their words picked up. Initially it was only Latin or the German, the French. These were the countries which were predominantly the words chosen from. Now lots of words have been chosen. Now you must be seeing great personalities, the media people, they are saying political pundits. Now Pandit is a Hindi word, but this Pandit has been adopted by Advanced Oxford Learned Dictionary, and that has been co-opted as a English word. So this silhouette has also its origin way back going to France. What was there in France? It was a French minister, possibly he was a finance minister, and he was given the responsibility of shaping and delineating different aspects of economy in a beautiful manner. When he delineated all the figures and the facts, the requirements of finances, so it was Mr. Silhouette, who was a French Prime Minister, after whose name the word silhouette has been picked up in English. So you can make out very well what does this word stand for. This stands for outlining. Now, when I say, though it looks very odd, but you must have seen somebody standing behind a curtain and his shadow is falling on a wall. अब इसको इस तरह से देखो, कभी कभी लोग कोई किसी चीज़ की छाया पड़ती है तो ही गेट्स स्केयर्ड, भूत आया, प्रेत आया. बेसिकली इट इज द शैडो ऑफ दैट मैन. Whenever you walk, your silhouette is always following you. कुछ लोग इसको छाया बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग इसको भूत पिचास बोल देते हैं, कुछ लोग छाया से डर जाते हैं. बट दिस इज ए वर्ड विच शुड बी कॉल्ड silhouette. That is outline of your shadow. Once you stand opposed to the light, especially in the night, because there are dark all the way. So once the light is facing you, that entire part of your body where the light is being opaque, that part makes a silhouette. So silhouette of your personality is being reflected. Now when we say that this budget is having the silhouette of Modi's thinking, it means the outlines, the contour of Modi's thinking is reflected in this budget. Delineations of different aspects of Modi's thinking and thought is reflected in this budget. Figuration. It has been figured out. By and large, you must have seen on some of the charts, it is a human being's figurations which has been either carved out or it is painted in a single unicolor. So this is called silhouette. When you use this word becomes slightly mysterious. Because silhouette, we use it in a kind of contour or an outline which is painted black, and it means something larger than what that symbol represents. If you go antonyms of the word silhouette, then you find a brightness, light, a body. So now, by merely looking the meaning of the word silhouette and its synonyms, there could be slight confusion. But when we turn to the word antonyms, then we are very clear what exactly it means. What is antonym of silhouette? Brightness. Now just see, if there is a shadow and you apply light on that, heavy light, that is removed. Confusion is removed. When there is a light, entire shadow disappears. So what does that mean? It means that shadow is something representative of either mystery or a broad outline whose or which significance is yet to be known. And what is there in store, that is going to be decided sometimes later. So this is a word, not very common word, but very sophisticated word. When you have to use a very sophisticated way of speaking, you can always use this word. Behind the paper lies the silhouette of his mother. An impression, an outline, not the full picture, but a figurative sense which symbolizes her mother. So silhouette of mother. You can see some other uses of it. Silhouette in my pocket is an outline of my mother. Silhouette in my pocket is an outline of my father. Using his telescope, the man could see the woman's silhouette through her curtain. What is there? Somebody is standing behind the curtain and I could see her silhouette. behind the curtain. From the building's dark silhouette in the painting, I can recognize it as the tallest structure in the world. Silhouette means परिछाया also. Now, can you use it? What is the process of a silhouette? Silhouette is an electronic
यदा
condition
यदा
that
हि
hooks up your
धर्मस्य
It is about the same size as
ग्लानिर्भवति
a small
भारत
printer and comes with software that enables you to basically create anything
अभ्युत्थानम्
and then cut it
अधर्मस्य
out on a paper, vinyl, fabric
तदात्मानं
or heat transfer material.
सृजाम्यहम्
Possibilities are endless.
परित्राणाय
So you can create any kind of silhouette as you feel like.
विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम्
Silhouette
धर्म
is
संस्थापनार्थाय
distinct outline.
संभवामि युगे युगे
People make great silhouettes, but pay particular attention to their outline. Their pose and their position of their limbs can make a huge difference to how your picture turns out. I have carefully crafted these lines to you so that you can create. Now it's figurative meaning and it's abstract meaning. The person who has lived life and who has shown way to the world community, even their silhouettes teach a lot, even after they have left for the heavenly world. So this is a very abstract meaning. इसका चलता फिरता मीनिंग क्या हुआ? एक ब्रॉड आउटलाइन विच इज डिलिनिएटेड टू सिग्निफाई समवंस इमेज. जैसे देखो बापू का एक नाक होता है, एक चश्मा होता है और एक आउटलाइंस होती है. दैट इज ए सिलहट ऑफ महात्मा गांधी. सो इन डे टू डे लाइफ ऑल्सो we can create lot of silhouettes of success by our hard work, extra effort and by visionary thinking. So my dear children, try to look up this word in dictionary, try to put as much stress as possible and try to use as many situations as possible to find not only its meaning but try to squander your time in using the sentences and try to domesticate this word so that next time when you come across this word, you would find very easy, very amusing and very satisfying to your soul that you have learned meaning and its synonyms and antonyms. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनाम् विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय